Alright, first squirrel of the day right there. And welcome back to the channel. We are back out here in the woods, as you can see. So it is a windy day. With my experience hunting in windy day conditions, it's not the greatest. But so far this morning, I've already seen 3 squirrels. So it's probably not going to be too bad. And there is rain in the forecast, so we'll see if rain touches up here where I'm at. But let's go pick up the squirrel that I just shot. Squirrel number 1. Just gonna bag her up, and we'll see if we get more squirrel. It sounds like we have a squirrel barking from down that way. I will push my way through there to see if I can get to that barking squirrel. Alright, squirrel stopped barking, so I changed my mind and went back to where I was going. But there is one barking down there. There is one whining somewhere over here. This one makes it quite difficult to locate exactly where they're barking from. But I have a general sense of the area they're at, so I kind of know where they're at. Do I go after that one that's barking down there? Surprisingly, there's a lot of squirrels today, for being such a windy day. You know what? I'll just continue going to where I was planning on heading to, and then I will loop around to down there where the squirrels are barking. Alright, that sounds like a plan here. There's a squirrel right in front of me there. Squirrel number 2. Alright. Not bad for a windy day. It is a juvie. Yeah, these are smaller squirrels. You know, usually around this time of the year, you don't get these small squirrels. Seems like they have probably breeded a little later into the season. They're usually bigger, more mature squirrels. You don't see these small ones anymore. Of course, the weather up here this year has been a little bit funky, so that may have something to do with it. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna back this guy up, keep on moving. Squirrel number 3. Alright, here is that third squirrel right here. Oh, I busted the spine. So if I could just get one more squirrel, that would be awesome. It's only 9:30. I have until like 3 p.m. to hunt, so still got a long ways to go for a squirrel. I'm just gonna bag this one up and keep on searching. there's a squirrel up there. There we go. Whew, squirrel number 4. Boy, that took some time. I am at a second location right now. And I took the CZ457. This is my KRG X-ray proof CZ457 right here. So I'm just gonna go pick up that squirrel that I just shot down there. Whew, this spot is thick. It's probably not an area I would hunt. There's faux leaf coverage. There's the squirrel right here. Some nice gray. Got him right there. Alright, I'm just gonna bag this guy up and we will go from there. I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Got a 4 squirrel for the day. The second spot off that I got was that last squirrel that you guys just saw there, the 4th squirrel. And it's not that great of an area either. It's mainly pine trees. Would I ever come back in this second spot here? Probably not. But yeah, I'm just gonna head on out of here, make my way back home. See you guys on the next hunt.